Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This time, I would like to talk about the basics of astronomy. I am so excited about the news that Japan's Hayabusa 2 spacecraft got succeeded to collect some sample of asteroid Ryugu. This asteroid Ryugu is orbiting the Sun between Earth and Mars, and the diameter of it is just a half mile, which is about 800 meters. Hayabusa 2 will bring the sample back to Earth in last of 2020. The scientists are expecting the sample will tell us the origin and history of our solar system because the Ryugu is considered to be in the old state of the time when the solar system was formed. Oh, I need to tell you one thing that first of all, I am not an astronomy expert, so I pretend I know a lot of astronomy because I am so curious and like thinking about universe. I think many people are the same as I am. Do you know how many times the Sun is larger than Earth? The diameter of the Sun is about 1.39 million kilometers, which is about 864,000 miles, which is 109 times larger than Earth. You would see the Sun very small in the sky because the distance between the Sun and Earth is very far. The distance is about 150 million kilometers, which is 93 million miles. It is called 1 astronomical unit. It takes about 8 minutes and 19 seconds to reach even the light from the Sun to Earth, although the speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. That can go around Earth 7.5 times per second. If you use the Shinkansen, the speed of 320 kilometers per hour, to travel to the Sun, it will take about 50 years to arrive at the Sun. This is a diagram of our solar system representing distance scale. You can see, for example, the distance between Earth and Jupiter and Saturn are much farther than the distance between Earth and the Sun. And this image is size comparison of the Sun and the planets. Earth is so tiny comparing to the Sun. Even the closest star except the Sun is about 4 light years away from Earth. That means the distances between stars in the sky are some light years away each other, although they are located very close. In the first place, most of the astronomical objects we see in the sky at night is stars that shine by themselves. And lots of planets are orbiting around those millions of stars, but it is so difficult to see those planets because they are too far and do not shine by themselves. Also, we could say there are the numbers of star systems as numbers of stars. So this can be the reason why many people believe there is an extraterrestrial life, because if such a large number of planets exist in the universe, it is probable that there will be planets with a well-defined environment for the birth of life located at a reasonable distance from the stars. At this point, let's overview some other stars incredibly huge that scientists discovered already. Alright, this is the Sun we know well already. Next one is called Sirius. Okay, this is a little larger than the Sun, and this is Pollux, Arcturus, and Aldebaran. I really can't imagine how much huge they are. Move on to the next one. Rigel is a little larger than Aldebaran, but Antares and Betelgeuse. And the largest scale group is this: VY Canis Majoris, V1489 Cygni, and the last one is UY Scuti. That is the largest star we know for now. If I compare the sizes of Earth, the Sun, and UY Scuti, the image would be like this. And what I want to talk about is galaxy. What is galaxy? It is a gravitationally bound system of stars. Yes, each small dot is a star in the image, and they are few light years away each other. Most of the stars are not just floating in universe at random, but they are part of galaxies and orbiting the center of each galaxy. Of course, our Sun is in a galaxy called Milky Way. So the Milky Way is a kind of galaxy. The sizes of galaxies vary. The diameter of the Milky Way that we live in is 100,000 light years. Actually, we cannot see how it looks with the whole view because we live inside of it. But we can see the part of it in the sky. Japanese people call it Amanogawa, that means the river in the sky. Ancient Japanese people created a mythology of the deities Orihime and Hikoboshi, represented by the stars Vega and Altair respectively. The separated lovers by the Milky Way can meet once a year, July 7th. Scientists discovered the fact that in this universe, at least there are 2 trillion galaxies. Those galaxies form groups called galaxy clusters, and the galaxy clusters form superclusters of galaxy. Overviewing about the universe, we human species know almost nothing about space. I mean, we maybe know about the universe of less than 1% or 0.1%. I don't know. Thinking about universe is so deep, romantic, interesting, and mysterious. Maybe because we know almost nothing about it. I want to talk about black holes and dark energy in other video as basics of universe. I thought it is good to know what stars, planets, galaxies, and how huge they are first. So I created this video. If you have something you want to share about universe, what is it? Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more of my content and click the like button if you would like it. See you in the next video. Bye.